workplace communication in this semester May 2020. My name is Handayani Tajawi. I am a student of OUM Tawau Learning Center in the Bachelor of Communication with Honors course in the semester May 2020. For the OUMH 2203 assignment, the subject and English for workplace communication. There are 5 topics that I will present. Firstly is introduction. Second is product introduction. Thirdly, power antibacterial hand sanitizer. Fourthly, advantages of power antibacterial hand sanitizer products. And last but not least is closing. Now, I will present a new products to be produced by the well-known Malaysian company Goodmed. This is an example of product from the company. Is washing liquid, toilet bowl cleaner, and glass cleaner. This is example of a Goodmed company product output in Malaysia. Given that coronavirus or COVID-19 is a disease that has spread throughout the world today, this virus can attack anyone, such as middle-aged adults, children, and infants. Unfortunately, until now, there has been no vaccine or drug specific for COVID-19. Currently, the handling of this virus is under study. Regardless on that, some steps need to be taken to address the issue, and one of them is personal hygiene by wash your hand regularly. But can you wash your hand with soap regularly? And do you always bring soap to clean your hands? And can you always find a water and soap to clean your hands? Since the coronavirus has spread all over the world, hand sanitizer is one of the luxury item because almost all people need it. As an employee in the marketing department at Goodmed, I took the opportunity to introduce a new antiseptic product to solve the issue while adding a new product in our company, since Goodmed has never supplied antiseptic for hand cleanser. And the Goodmed brand is well known for supplying various home and office cleaning products such as mosaic cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, glass cleaner, fabric softener, and dishwashing liquid. With this, I will introduce a new products in addition to the existing Goodmed product so that the brand will remain popular in Malaysia. The product that I will introduce in antiseptic hand sanitizer product. Now, for the product introduction. This is the new product that I produced for the company. Name is Power Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer. This is the cover of this product. This product has 3 colors and fragrance. This product contains 70% alcohol and 1040 standard. This product also contains extra aloe vera and botanica. Next, it contains moisturizer and vitamin E. This product available in spray and in gel, and it has 3 fragrances given. The first, fresh blossom with pink color. Second, neutral spring with green color. And third, cool breeze with blue color. Last but not least, this product has supply in 50 milliliter, 100 milliliter, and 250 milliliter. Now I will present about the advantages of this product. First of all, Power Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer is formulated effectively in removing dirt and germs without using soap and water. It can be easily applied on the palms just to rub your hands and evenly clean the entire area. This product used only with gel and spray. The content available in the Power Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer also has a long-term effect for providing protection against germs for up to 10 hours of use. Next, Power Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer contains 70% alcohol active ingredient in killing germs such as E. coli and S. aureus. This product is enriched with moisturizer and vitamin E to keep the skin moisturized so that the hands do not feel dry and the skin is soft. It is an alcohol-free hand sanitizer that contains alcohol and effectively kills germs up to 99.9% quickly, such as flu and diarrhea in standard EN 1040 and always has a refreshing scent as it contains extra aloe vera and botanical. After that, it has a lot of scent and fragrance with beautiful colors bottles that suit different types. The first, fresh blossom pink. Second, spring natural green. And the third, cool blue breeze. Also, it is easy to use anytime and convenient wherever we go, to the office, to school, to shopping, to recreation, to gardening, to family gatherings, to clean wounds and to remove waste by simply opening, spraying and sweeping around. This product is lightweight and has 50 ml, 100 ml and 200 ml contents option. And this product is suitable for all ages, children and adults. It is easy to use with just a drop in your hands and spread all over. Everyone can afford this product. This product is certificate halal and certified by the Health Ministry. Finally, this is the time for closing. This is a hand sanitizer that effectively kills germs. Who would have thought that this product could help us in solving this issue of COVID-19 spreading around the world today just by owning this product? Let us have this product immediately to ensure our cleanliness. In addition, by caring about health, having good health is important compared having a lot of money. Power hand sanitizer keep us. That's all I have to present to you about this new product, that is Power Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer, to you for the release of a new Goodmed company product. In conclusion, I hope that this product can be approved and manufactured as soon as possible, as it can help from all walks of life and can help kill germs in our care wherever and whenever we are. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching the video presentation from me, Handayani Tajawi, and OUM Tawau Learning Center students for OUMH 2203 English for Workplace Communication in the semester of May 2020. Lastly, thanks to e-tutor Mr. Ilan Darbel for the guidance in the subject. Bye!